2013 Prestige Football box break. Alright, so let's show the box real quick. Show the sealed box. Sealed, all the panini stamps everywhere. Now this box is gonna take a bit to break since I show all cards to recording or to Justin.tv. And then we got the SKU number 13297-76783. And then I'll show the teams. And the Broncos have not paid. Yeah, KLD, you have the Chiefs and the Eagles. Yeah, Chiefs and Eagles in this one. So there's everyone. Broncos did not pay, so they are mine. And let's get this started. One second. This is going to be a lot of cards, so I'm clearing some space over here real quick. Alright, so good luck. I believe this one has at least 2 autos as well. And at least another 2 autos or 2 memorabilia. I think is typically what comes out of these boxes. Now let's move you guys down. Right there. And we've got a lot of packs. A lot. And we got us an empty box. And empty. So Prestige, here we go. Pack number 1. I'm going to show these cards, the base cards, really fast to just Justin TV. Just because this is going to be a long break. So we got Matt Schaub. We got Tamba Hali. We got Peyton Manning. And then it looks like we got a green extra points of Steven Jackson. That is number 25. Number 4 of 25, so that's going to the Rams. Actually, sorry. Logo on the back goes to the Falcons. If you go back to the the rules, it's the logo. So that one goes to the Falcons. We got us a rookie of Jordan Poyer. We got us Darren Sproles. We got us Percy Harvin. That's going to the Seahawks. Base card, but going to the Seahawks. Since we got that on the back. And then Darrelle Revis going to the Jets. Alright, so we got us a rookie of Aaron Millette. We got Alfred Morris. Isaac Redman. Tom Brady. We got Mercedes Lewis. Des Bryant. Clay Matthews. And then a rookie, the draft tickets insert for Robert Woods for the Bills. So draft day tickets insert. Going to the Bills of Robert Woods. Alright, so let's go to right there. Rookie of Marcus Lattimore. Got Colin Kaepernick, teammates. Hakeem Nicks. Got Ben Roethlisberger. We got Brandon Marshall. Cecil Shorts. Yeah. Josh Cribbs. And then another rookie insert, the NFL Passport. That's going to Joseph Randall for the Cowboys. Alright. Here we go. 4 cards from the back. Thank you. We got base rookie Jonathan Franklin. We got Brian Arakipo. Troy Polamalu. We got Shane Vereen. We got J.J. Watt. Andy Dalton. Jonathan Baldwin. Oh, we got our first auto. And then we got us... Oh, sorry. I lied. It's not an auto. That's weird that it was turned around. Cordell Patterson, extra points. That one is not numbered. I lied. I'm sorry. So rookie going to the Vikings. That was weird that that's turned around. Usually the autos are turned around. Alright, so 4 from the back. Got us the rookie. Sam Montgomery. Jarius Wright. Vincent Brown. Jimmy Graham. Patrick Peterson. Matthew Stafford. Kevin Cobb. That's going to the Bills, since it's got the Bills logo. So Kevin Cobb going to the Bills. And then Keenan Allen, Draft City Destinations insert for the Chargers. Not numbered. So that one is not numbered. Keenan Allen insert. Alright, so 4 from the back. Got us the... Oh, feels like we got us a die cut on the back. Alright, rookie Aaron Dodson. Going to the Pats. Robert Griffin. Plaxico Burress. Russell Wilson. Got us Ray Rice. My gosh, all these cards are upside down. Jordy Nelson, Jonathan Stewart, and then we got a fantasy team insert. It's got the acetate on there of Jason Witten. That one's a die cut. That's going to the Cowboys, not numbered. So Cowboys acetate die cut not rookie, sorry, of Jason Witten. Alright, another pack here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 off the back. Let's turn this rookie around. Monty Ball, base rookie. Got Heath Miller. Got Danny Amendola. Michael Crabtree. Got us a Lance Briggs. Dwayne Bowe. Wow, they have so many cards per pack. Miles Austin. Oh, first auto. Not a bad one. He just had his first awesome game on card. NFL Passport of Tavon Austin. That is going to the St. Louis Rams. St. Louis Rams, Gamber 52. That is a nice auto. On card. Not numbered, but still nice nonetheless. NFL Passport, Tavon Austin. Going to the Rams. Congratulations on that hit. Not a bad way to start this box. Alright, so we got us a rookie Deion Sims. We got Victor Cruz, Doug Martin, Marcel Reese, Jaquez Rogers, Devin Heston, or Devin Hester, Justin Blackman, and then looks like rookie insert, prestigious picks of Geno Smith going to the Jets. That is not numbered. Prestigious picks, Geno Smith. Looking for an auto of his, right? Alright. 4 off the back, we got Darius Slay, Santonio Holmes, Kendall Wright, Brent Selleck, and Donald Brown, Brandon Whedon, Michael Floyd, and another draft day tickets insert of Buffalo Bills again. I believe it was. We got Marquise Goodwin this time. I think we got Robert Woods last time. I don't remember though for sure. So that's going to the Bills. Yeah, man, the auto was pretty sick. Tavon Austin. I want to say let's hope he stays good, but he's in my division. He's in the Cardinals division, NFC West. Start Latualelli. I don't know how to say his name. We got Ryan Tannehill, Adrian Peterson, Ryan Matthews, Trent Richardson, and that's still the Browns logo on there. Matt Ryan, Calvin Johnson, and then why not pull? It's not an auto. I got us a blank card on the back. It's an insert draft day tickets. This one is a refractor version of Stedman Bailey, Tavon's teammate. That one's refractor. Refractor version. Oh, there you go. Number to 100. 41 of 100. Going to the Rams. Why not, right? I don't know if you can see it, but it's refractor, and that is numbered to 100. Alright, let's see. Pack number, who knows? We got a lot of packs left still. We got rookie Matt Elam, Cameron Wake, Phillip Rivers, Lance Moore, Terrell Suggs, Willis McGahee, then Jarvis Green Ellis, upside down. What? And then NFL Passport insert of Denard Robinson, rookie. And that is not numbered. So going to the Jags, Denard Robinson. Got us another acetate on the back here. Let's see. We got us Jordan Reed rookie. Eli Manning. Vincent Jackson. Denarius Moore. We got a CJ Spiller. Arian Foster. Charles Tillman. And then why not give the Broncos another acetate, right? DeMarco Murray. Inside the numbers, 5.5 yards rushing attempt in 2011. So that's going to the Broncos. Cowboys. Gosh, why am I getting the teams mixed up so much tonight? Okay, come on. There we go. Alright. Oh, I feel something on the back. Zach Dysert. Frank Gore. Andre Brown. Dallas Clark. DeMarco Murray. Do you guys see what's on the back? I haven't seen it yet. Sean Weatherspoon. Got Ndamukong Suh. What is that? Okay. Le'Veon Bell. NFL draft picks insert. That one's not numbered. It's a rookie. Going to Steelers. And then a jersey of Denard Robinson. Prestigious picks, numbered to 399. So Denard Robinson jersey numbered to 399 going to the Jags. Alright, so we got 2 hits left. Oh, I wonder if Prestige does have extra hits. Alright. I think we have an auto on the back. I felt something. Rookie Logan Ryan. And that's for the Patriots. We got Chris Johnson. We got Michael Vick. Greg Jennings. Blaine Gabbert. Josh Gordon. Rashard Mendenhall. Says Arizona Cardinals, so that's going to the Cardinals. It's on the back. And, oh, nope, just another NFL draft picks insert of Giovanni Bernard. And that one is not numbered, going to the Bengals. Alright, 4 off the back. Rookie of Luke Jokel. Jags. Nick Foles. Brian Hartline. Chris Givens. MJD. Joe Hayden. Roddy White. And then Quentin Patton. Draft tickets, wide receiver, going to the 49ers, insert, not numbered. So that's for the 49ers right there. Alright, 4 off the back. We got Kristen Michael. Rookie. We got Robert Meacham, Mark Ingram, Richard Sherman, Von Miller, Stevie Johnson, Andre Johnson. And then draft tickets, rookie insert of DeAndre Hopkins going to the Texans. Alright. Got us a rookie, Mike Glennon. Got us Matt Flynn, Pierre Garçon, I almost said Thomas, Antonio Brown, Matt Forte, Demaryius Thomas, Dennis Pitta, and then NFL Passport rookie of Tyler Eifert, Bengals tight end rookie, not numbered. Alright, we got us a Houston rookie, Sierra Wood. Mike Williams, my arm is hurting. Darren McFadden, Fred Davis, got Ryan Broyles, Fred Jackson, Owen Daniels, and then NFL Passport rookie of Le'Veon Bell, rookie insert. That one's not numbered. Going to the Steelers. Alright, looks like Indianapolis is going to come back and win this game. Alright, D. Milliner for the Jets, rookie. Marshawn Lynch. Jeremy Curley. Sean Green. That one's for the Titans, even though it's the... Alright, Kansas City Chiefs. Sean Lee. Torrey Smith. Oh, and then I think we got us another auto. Going to the Broncos of Zach Dysert. And they went unsold. That one is not numbered. Zach Dysert, Broncos. Didn't get paid for. Alright. So let's hope we get a third auto. And here is the next hit. Alright, so rookie Deion Jordan. Kyle Rudolph. Joe McKnight. Oh, you guys saw it over there. I know who it is now. Nate Washington. Randall Cobb. So since you guys know who it is. Greg Olson. Justin.TV. Oh man, Jarrell Freeman. Wow. I'm on one tonight. Greg Little. And then this jersey goes to Eli Manning for the Giants. Gamers. Not numbered. So that is for the Giants. Eli Manning. And we got 4 more packs left. Extra hit, please. Alright, rookie Ryan Swope. I don't know why they're putting him in here still. Aaron Hernandez. Anquan Bolden. Mark Sanchez. James Jones. D'Angelo Williams. Vic Ballard. And then Jordan Reed. Prestigious Picks rookie insert going to the Washington Redskins. 3 packs left, guys. We got all 4 hits, but you never know. Maybe we can get an extra one. Sheldon Richardson, rookie. That's for the New York Jets. We got Bryce Brown, Christian Ponder, Malcolm Floyd, Ryan Williams, Wes Welker. That is going to be for the Broncos since it's got the logo on the back and it says traded to Broncos. Tavares Jackson, and then Stephon Taylor, prestigious picks rookie insert for the Cardinals. Alright, 2 packs left. Let's see. Off the back, got Jonathan Hankins for the Giants, rookie. Josh Freeman. Oh my gosh, my shoulder is killing me. Jacoby Ford. Santana Moss. Holding my arm up like this, trying not to hit the phone. Devere Posey. Michael Bush. Rashad Jennings. And then, prestigious picks insert. How many of these are in there? Stedman Bailey going to the Rams. That one's not numbered. And last pack. Last pack. It's a thick one, but it might just be, yeah, it looks like a dummy card. Xavier Rhodes, rookie, going to the Vikings. Jonathan Dwyer. Jared Allen, Antonio Gates, Jacoby Jones, Jermichael Finley, out for the season, I believe. Jay Cutler, I don't know, I think he might be out for the season. And then Jaguars, Ryan Oten, extra points rookie. And that one is not numbered. Going to the Jags. So let's do a quick recap again. Another recap. And we'll show that. And then show that. Alright. So let's start with, this is a Stedman Bailey refractor insert number 200. Going to the Rams, that's number 100. We got a Steven Jackson. That's number 25, number 24 of 25. Extra points green insert. There we go. Number 25 going to the Falcons. Falcons logo on the back. And it even says Atlanta Falcons on there. Number 425. I think Rams got enough good cards in here anyways, right? We got Denard Robinson jersey, number 2, not numbered. Going to the Jags. Jersey Eli Manning going to the Giants, of course. That one's not numbered. We got unpaid team, Zach Dysert, Denver Broncos. Rookie auto, and then definitely a nice auto here on card. St. Louis Rams, Tavon Austin, NFL passport. Not numbered, but still a nice card. So thanks again everyone for joining, and be sure to check out breaks I have currently posted. Appreciate it.